If the fast charging stops working on your Android phone, here are some things to check. First of all, check and make sure fast charging is enabled. Go to Settings, Battery, and under the charging options, make sure fast charging is enabled. The number one reason for fast charging issues is usually the cable and adapter. Cables sometimes fail, so this is one of the first things to check. Try with a different cable if possible. And make sure the power adapter supports fast charging, because not all of them do. If you're plugged to a USB port, try a wall outlet. Sometimes USB ports don't provide enough power. If you're using battery protection features, try turning those off. Some phones will limit charging speed when adaptive charging or battery protection is enabled. Also check the charging port on the phone. Lint and dust can often build up inside the port and get compressed deep in there, causing a weak connection with the cable that can cause issues with charging. You can clean the charging port gently with a wooden toothpick, but don't use anything conductive like a metal pick. I have a separate video for cleaning the port, and I'll link it below if you're interested. A few other things you can try. Restart the phone. Sounds simple, but it can often fix temporary glitches. Checking for software updates and updating your phone is also a good idea, since charging bugs do happen, and new software releases contain a lot of bug fixes. Also, check the temperature. Lithium-ion batteries are kinda picky about temperatures, and if your phone is either too hot or too cold, it might refuse to use fast charging. If your phone has gone through some intense temperatures, bring it back to normal temperatures first and try again. Lastly, hardware issues are also possible. If your battery has degraded or it's going bad, it can cause issues with fast charging. And keep in mind that wireless charging is always slower than using a wired charger, even when it says fast wireless. Anyways, one of those will usually fix charging issues. Click that like button if this helped, share with a friend who is struggling with charging issues, and subscribe for more guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.